We offer a dynamic bridge to modern web and full-stack development with our JavaScript Coding for Young Learners course, ideal for junior high students and advanced elementary learners who have gained confidence in Python and are ready to explore a versatile, evolving language. JavaScript follows naturally after Python for many students. Python's intuitive feel makes it the ideal first text-based language, while JavaScript introduces dynamic, event-driven coding with a focus on interactivity and real-time applications. This progression helps young coders appreciate the thoughtful evolution of a time-proven technology that has grown far beyond its original role. The course is designed for families or students curious about JavaScript's enduring relevance and the frameworks built around it. While we keep the program concise with a focused set of levels, experiencing this language is highly worthwhile. Even a solid taste equips learners with transferable insights for future tech pursuits. JavaScript began as a front-end powerhouse for adding life to websites, but it has expanded dramatically. As of recent industry surveys around the time this video was created, it powers interactive user interfaces via frameworks like React, used by a large portion of developers, server-side applications with Node.js, running on a significant share of surveyed developers and powering sites like Netflix, LinkedIn, and PayPal, mobile apps through React Native desktop applications with Electron used in tools like Visual Studio Code and Discord, and even game development or IoT systems. Its ecosystem continues to show healthy growth and strong community support in the foreseeable future. In our coding offerings, JavaScript is sometimes overlooked by aspiring software engineers, yet its job market value and versatility remain exceptionally high. Mastering the basics here smooths the path to related technologies like TypeScript for safer large-scale code, Node.js backends, or frameworks that lead to full-stack roles. For young learners excited to see how a single language can shape interactive websites, servers, apps, and more, our JavaScript Coding for Young Learners course provides an engaging, practical entry, building confidence in a technology that continues to define much of the digital world.